Hello, I'm John Zentz, Vice President of Sales for Hunter Engineering Company. Hunter designs and manufactures top-of-the-line automotive service equipment. We are an independent, family-owned business based right here in the USA. A key to Hunter's success is our exceptional sales and service organization, unmatched since our founding in 1946.
Growing up, I've always been told what a great company Hunter Engineering is. I come from a long line of family members who have worked with Hunter in the past and currently. I'm a third-generation Hunter rep. My granddad worked for the company back in the early 60s. It's a great company to represent. I hope to spend many more years with them.
Over the years, Hunter has built a reputation of innovation and visionary leadership in the undercar service industry. And as a Hunter representative, you will be working with a patented, award-winning range of wheel alignment, wheel balancing, tire changing, brake service, and inspection lane equipment. Hunter products are designed in-house by the largest engineering group in the undercar industry, with over 350 patented inventions worldwide.
Being a representative for Hunter has been wonderful because I've always been the kind of person who loves selling the best. Whether I was in a brake shop or whether I was selling tires, I love to sell the best product. And so it was a very natural fit for me that I'm selling the world's finest wheel service equipment.
Our dedication to improve undercar service is evident by our numerous approvals by vehicle and tire manufacturers and industry recognition awards. We also have the largest install base in North America, and each representative focuses on an exclusive protected territory. With the broad Hunter line and ongoing new product innovations, you'll have the competitive edge to continue to develop new customers and build sales from existing users. Choosing to represent Hunter is a decision to invest in yourself and partner with an organization that is dedicated to your success. Becoming an independent Hunter representative also allows you to be your own boss, set your own schedule, and reach uncapped income potential. You'll be supported with top-notch training, marketing tools, and recognition for top performance. With this huge wind at your back and the support of the leader in the automotive equipment industry, you too can succeed as a Hunter sales representative. Let Hunter be the best career move you have ever made. Thank you, and I look forward to meeting you soon.